Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair your Edifier headphones with your Android phone. So first of all, we have to click and hold this power button to enter for the pairing mode. There we go. And as you can see, it is blinking like that, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. And all we have to do right now is just to go to the settings. We have to go for the connected devices, open pair new device. And from this list, you have to select your Edifier W820 headphones. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.